Have you tried my crispy blooming fish? I slice the fish fillets into a flower-like blooming shape. It's super crispy, tasty, fun, and fabulous.
I'd like to share with you an easy step-by-step recipe to create crispy blooming fish. It will be sure to wow all your friends and family.
Here I have 3 pieces of red snapper fillets. You can also use other types of fish fillets. Slice the fish fillet lengthwise and reach the skin but without cutting through the skin. Each cut is about ½ inch apart. Slice the fish fillet at an angle crosswise. Again, reach the skin but without cutting through the skin. And space about ½ inch apart. Add the eggs, salt, white pepper, whisk. Coat the fillets with the egg mixture. In another mixing bowl, add the cornstarch and dust the fillets with it. In a pot over high heat, add the avocado oil. You can also use other high smoking point oil. Heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully put in the fish fillets skin side up, one at a time. And fry until golden brown, about 3 minutes. Take it out and set it aside. And we're gonna do the same with the rest of the fish fillets. Increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Return the fish fillets and fry until crispy, about 2 minutes. Double frying makes the fish crispy and less oily. When the exterior temperature is hotter than the interior temperature, it forces the oil from the inside to come out, so it's crispy and not greasy. Let's hear how crispy they are. In a pot over medium heat, add the water, ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, and steamed peas. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sauce is thickened. Pour the sauce over the fish fillets and enjoy!
Really crispy on the outside and it's still really delicate and tender on the inside. I love the sweet and sour sauce. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!